Hello students, welcome to our channel Study Well. In this video, we are going to learn some MCQs from the chapter The Portrait of a Lady written by Kushwant Singh. Read the extracts given below and answer the following questions by choosing the correct option. She hobbled about the house in spotless white, with one hand resting on her waist to balance her stoop and the other telling the beats of her rosary. Her silver locks were scattered untidily over her pale, puckered face, and her lips constantly moved in inaudible prayer. Yes, she was beautiful. She was like the winter landscape in the mountains. An expanse of pure white serenity, breathing peace and contentment. Question number 1. Here the word hobbled means options. Option A, move. Option B, ran. Option C, relax. Option D, slowly jump. Here the correct answer is option A, move. Question number 2. Telling her beads of rosary refers to option A, note down her prayers, option B, remember her prayers, option C, attain peace, option D, say her prayers. The correct answer is option D, say her prayers. Question number 3. How did the grandmother appear like the winter landscape in the mountains? Option A, because she always wore white dress. Option B, because she had a divine beauty. Option C, because she has silver locks. Option D, because she was beautiful. Here the correct answer is option B, because she had a divine beauty. Extract number 2. Although we shared the same room, my grandmother no longer came to school with me. I used to go to an English school in a motor bus. There were no dogs in the streets, and she took to feeding sparrows in the courtyard of our city house. As the years rolled by, we saw less of each other. For some time, she continued to wake me up and get me ready for school. When I came back, she would ask me what the teacher had taught me. I would tell her English words and little things of Western science and learning. The law of gravity, Archimedes' principle, the world being round, etc. This made her unhappy. Question number 1. The given extract doesn't talk about option A, the grandmother's dissatisfaction with Western education, option B, the narrator's nostalgia about his village school, option C, the narrator learning at the new school, option D, the increasing loneliness of the grandmother. Here the correct answer is option D, the increasing loneliness of the grandmother. Question number 2. Choose the correct option with reference to the two statements given below. Statement 1. The grandmother was led to a life of seclusion as she moved to the city. Statement 2. Only the author could ease her solitude. Option A. Statements 1 and 2 cannot be inferred from the passage. Option B. Statements 1 and 2 can be inferred from the passage. Option C. Statement 1 is true but 2 is false. Option D. Statement 1 is false but 2 is true. Here the correct answer is option C. Statement 1 is true but 2 is false. Question number 3. What made the grandmother unhappy? Option A. She couldn't help the author in his studies anymore. Option B. The school didn't teach about God and his scriptures. Option C. The school teaches music. Option D. All of the above. Here the correct answer is option D. All of the above. Extract number 3. Her silver locks were scattered untidily over her pale, puckered face, and her lips constantly moved in inaudible prayer. What does the author aim to do with such a statement? Option A. Describe his grandmother. Option B. Attach a spiritual beauty to his grandmother. Option C. To depict the peaceful expressions of the grandmother. Option D. To highlight the old age of his grandmother. Here the correct answer is option B. Attach a spiritual beauty to his grandmother. Question number 5. Choose the option that doesn't reflect the feelings implied by distrust. Option A. Dissatisfied. Option B. Regret. Option C. Anxiety. Option D. Anger. Here the correct answer is option B. Regret. Question number 6. Which of the following characteristic could be attached to the grandmother? Option A. Orthodox. Option B. Introvert. Option C. Religious. Option D. Peace loving. Here the correct answer is option C. Religious. Question number 7. Who is the main character of the chapter, The Portrait of a Lady? Option A. Mother. Option B. Sister. Option C. Grandmother. Option D. Daughter. Here the correct answer is option C. Grandmother. Question number 8. Where were the parents of the author? Option A. Abroad. Option B. City. Option C. Other village. Option D. Other state. Here the correct answer is option B. City. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. I'll be uploading more videos related to grammar portions, chapters, poems, and model questions, writing section, etc. Thank you.